In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to calculate a simple moving average in Google Sheets so you can easily spot trends in your data. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open your Google Sheet and make sure your data is in one column, for example, column B. Then go to the next column and add a header like 3-day moving average so everything stays organized. Now click on the cell where your first moving average should appear. For a 3-day average, start on the third data point. So if your data begins in B2, click on cell C4. Now type this formula equals average open bracket B2 colon B4 close bracket. Press enter and you'll get your first moving average using those three values. Next, click on the cell again, grab the small blue square at the bottom right and drag it down. Google Sheets will automatically update the formula for each row, calculating the rolling average as your data continues. This works like a sliding window, always averaging the most recent values and smoothing out fluctuations so you can clearly see trends. And that's it. You can now use simple moving averages to analyze data like sales, traffic, or performance over time. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.